All right, welcome. Today we're going to take a tour of the Sage 50 user interface. I want you to think of this as the command center for your business's finances. It's the place where you're going to manage all those moving parts that make your company tick. So let's dive right in.
So, you did it. You started your own business. That is awesome. The money's coming in, you're making sales, things are moving. But as anyone who's ever run a business knows, making the sale, that's really just the beginning. The big question is, what happens next? Because all of a sudden, you're not just selling your product or service anymore. Now you've got to create invoices, send out statements, you have to track who's paid you, and, well, who hasn't. You're managing a whole bunch of different accounts just to keep the lights on. Yeah, it can get a little overwhelming, and fast. And that, right there, is where a tool like Sage 50 becomes an absolute lifesaver. It is designed specifically to help you wrangle all of these tasks. Its whole purpose is to help you manage all of your company's financial information and get things done, all in one single, organized place.
Okay, so let's start this tour with the most fundamental piece of the whole program, the navigation bar. Think of this as your map. It's your guide to literally everything you can do inside Sage 50. You'll spot the navigation bar right away. It's that vertical menu running down the left-hand side of the window. Its job is super simple, but really powerful. It's your launchpad for opening up all the different areas of the software, which are called navigation centers.
And using it could not be easier. You just click a name in that list, let's say you click on Customers and Sales, and boom, over on the right, the main window instantly opens up that entire section. It's a simple cause and effect. You click on the left, you see it on the right.
Okay, so when you click on that bar, it takes you to what's called a navigation center. And if that bar is your map, well then these centers are your destinations. This is where the real work gets done, and it's where all of your company's most important information actually lives. So inside each of these centers, you're going to find all the key info for that area. Like a list of your customers or your vendors. You'll also see all the buttons you need to actually do things, like create an invoice or record a payment. But here's the really cool part, and this is a big one. You can completely customize these centers for every single person who uses the software. And that customization is a huge deal. It's not just for looks. It offers this amazing two-for-one benefit. It's not only, and I'm quoting here, very convenient, which, makes everything faster, but it also adds a measure of security. And when you're talking about financial data, security is absolutely critical. And this right here just spells it out perfectly. The default view is kind of one size fits all. Everybody sees everything. But a customized view that's tailored to a specific job. For example, does your employee in accounts payable really need to see all the payroll details? Probably not, right? So you can just hide it for them. It makes their workflow way more efficient and, more importantly, a whole lot more secure. Now, beyond those main navigation centers, Sage 50 has a couple of other tricks up its sleeve to help you get your work done even faster. Let's talk about shortcuts and the menu bar.
So if you look all the way down at the bottom of that left-hand navigation bar, you'll see a section for shortcuts. This little area is going to be your best friend. Seriously, if you find yourself creating sales invoices all day long, why click through menus? Just add a one-click shortcut right there, and bam, you jump straight to that form. And then, way up at the very top of the screen, you've got the good old menu bar. This is going to feel familiar to pretty much anyone who's ever used a computer program. It's that classic, traditional menu with File, Edit, View, you know the drill. It's where you can find every single feature in the program. So, which one do you use? Well, think of it this way. The navigation centers are visual. They're built around your daily workflow, which makes them perfect for the tasks you do all of the time. The menu bar, on the other hand, is like the encyclopedia. It's a list of absolutely every command in this system, even the ones you might only use once a year. So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's that Sage 50 is not trying to force you to work in one specific way. Not at all. Whether you're a visual person who loves the workflow hubs, or you prefer a traditional menu system, the tools are there for you. The whole point is that it's designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. And there you have it. That was the grand tour of your financial command center. You've seen the map, you know all the destinations, and you've even got the express routes. So the only question left is, where are you going to